Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to tag people on Instagram Reels. For these settings, you have to open your Instagram app. Then you have to click the plus icon here and click to Reel icon. Then you have to make a reel. Then you have to click to next. Then you can see here tag people option. Click to tag people option, then click to add tag. Then search user, which user you want to tag, then select a person. Oh, only I can my followers. And see guys, I tagged the person. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, my dear friends.